Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to store green beans. So green beans are available all year round. Peak is hot summertime. That's the best time to get green beans. And speaking of green beans, they're not always green. You can actually get yellow green beans or even purple green beans. But before we get to fully storing them, let's talk about what green beans are. So green beans are like an immature bean pod. Unlike other beans like pinto beans, that sort of thing, we actually eat green beans with like the baby beans inside the pod, eating the pod at all. Unlike, for example, fava beans, where you don't necessarily always eat the outside of the pod. Another comparison is unripe peas like sugar snap peas, where we eat the pod and the peas inside them. So how do you choose green beans? So you want to pick green beans that have a nice vibrant color. They should be free from any brown spots or bruises, and they shouldn't be soft in any way. They should be nice and firm. One easy way to kind of test if the green beans that you're about to buy are good is to snap them in half, just like that. If they snap, then you know that they're fresh, crisp, and good to go. So how do you actually store green beans? Well, when you bring green beans home from the store, one thing you want to do is don't wash them. Don't wash your produce before you put it in the fridge. Outside of berries, most things, you don't want to trap them in there with moisture. So take the green beans out of the bag that you purchased them in, and I would line that bag with a paper towel. Put the green beans back in and then put them in the fridge. Store that way, fresh green beans can actually keep in the fridge for almost 2 weeks. But if you need to freeze them, what you want to do is prep the green beans on how you would eat them. So trim off the ends, chop them if you want smaller pieces, lay them out on a lined baking sheet and put them in the freezer. Freeze it for about a couple hours until the green beans are frozen, and then transfer it to a freezer safe container. Stored that way, green beans can remain in the freezer for about 12 months.